Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this donut chart. So this donut chart is actually dynamic. When we refer to project A, it's easier to say that 46% is completed. Remaining, this is the percentage. Now switch to project B, here you go, right? And then project C, and then project D. So we'll make use of VLOOKUP as well, right? So the real data set is here. Right? It's just a 2-column value, and then we use the VLOOKUP, and then here we use 1 minus this, and then we do some formatting on the donut chart. So let's begin, right? So first of all, they don't have this data, and here let me just remove that. Go to Data tab, choose the data validation, and then choose clear all. That's how we clear the data validation, right? Later we make use of it. Then you create a list. This list is fictitious, right? You can just add the project name and the percentage of completion. And now let's do the report. Okay. So over here you change equal. No. Then you transfer to this donut chart. But okay. So project name, right, is going to be a drop down list, right? So we're going to click on the drop down list here, and then choose list, and then the source, we click on the donut, and then select this list, and then choose OK, and we have with the name and the percentage of complete. We can make use of this. We use a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP based on the project name, comma. Go to the donut dataset, select this list. It's not necessary to lock this range because we're not going to copy down or copy to right, right? So let's put comma. We want something from the second column, and then false, and enter. So yes, we know it's 39. So how many remaining? Right? It's a simple math. Just 1 minus this, you will get 21. So if it's not in percentage, you can always go to home and click on this percentage, and you can even add one more zero there, right? So now let's begin how to create this beautiful chart, right? Wow, you can see that here. How can we create that? Looks busy, right? So first of all, we can create this select all these leaves and go to the insert tab, go to chart, and then click donut chart. Okay, so this is it. And now for the format chart area, we're going to choose no fill. Just like this, right? You can see the C2, right? Next is that I'm selecting the 49%, the completed ratio, right? And over here we click solid, and here we choose bold, and then for the border, solid line also, color 1.5, right? As for the gray, we go to use the solid fill, and then choose gray, and then border we choose the no, okay, and this is percentage, right? And now what we do is the I'll just choose to go for the angle of the first slice, which is 0%, right? You see, right? If I change it to say 20%, right? Say I change it to 20%, that 20%, and you can see that the first was set at 20% angle starting to complete it, but we don't want this, right? We want 0. Next, how to determine the size of the hole, right? I select this, then select the hole size, change it to if you want 20%, it's okay, right? If you like this, of course you can also change it to 50%. Okay, now 50% is what you need, and then you see, looks like the project B we have already achieved. We go for project A, yeah, you can see that percentage complete. Now next is that we're going to insert a text box. Somewhere here is the text box. Insert the insert line, insert by tab, text box, click text, draw a horizontal text. Right, click here. At this point, you press the function key F2, and then equal to 46%, right, and enter. Okay, now we do some formatting for this text. Select the text box, right, for the text box, and then click here, click in the middle, click additional 46%, choose the blue color, make blue color, right, and then copy, paste. For here, you choose that go for equal, click on this project AAP, right, and enter, and you can see that it changed. I can change the color, change this text color to same color that I wish to, right? Okay. Let's see. Okay, blue color, bold. There you go, right? Project A. Okay, that is all that we done, right? So far, you can see that we can do a further analysis such as this, right? You can make it into format the legend and say change it to the right hand side. The project title is not needed, so you can just select the project titles. You can just delete it, move this to the right position, and we will complete this project. Now we can change this here. Look at that, so much better, right? So yes, in this video you just learn how to insert a drop down list and how to clear it, right? So go to data tab, choose the data validations, go to the list, and here select the source, right, from a different worksheet if you want to, right, and then click OK. Next is the percentage completed. How do we know? It all depends on the data set here. When it's set here, this report will change differently. As for remaining, right, it's a simple math, 1 minus the C called percentage of completion. Then it's easy to see each of the project, right? So then we do a formatting. Now the chart, right, the chart that is completed, we want to first choose that, put a the solid fill, right, and then we change the color, right, change to blue color stick, and then we set the border. Do the same similar step, right, for the remaining completions, right. Next we insert the text box and then also the project name, and that's about it. We have uh, reposition the legend as well. Thank you. I hope this help you.